I love them. They're
And
so
if
good.
you saw like the Halloween ones, you're like, well, why would I get those now? Because there's no guarantee we're going to make them next year because we're always coming out with new ones. So
it's free shipping.
On a free shipping day.
Can we back it up for a moment and take a look at that Easy Pay? Huh?
Huh?
$2.80
What?
is your Easy Pay. All right, we have sold over 40,000 of these classic electric ceramic gravy boats with the warmer, $2.80.
Crazy, right?
And now we're in our final quantities, and there's no
Yes.
reorder. It's as timely as you could possibly imagine. Look, earlier in the show, we had Jeremy Parker with the Henning Lee gravy and fat separator.
Yes.
We made gravy together. Nothing is worse than congealed cold gravy.
Gross.
Nothing is worse than having to go back and forth to the kitchen when everyone's seated at the table. Nothing is worse than having to microwave your gravy
because
because
it
it
starts
got
to separate,
cold.
right?
Yes. This is what you have to have at a clearance price of $13.99. It is shipping for free. So with that free shipping, you're saving close to $18, $17.71 to be exact.
Yeah.
And it's $2.80 on your Easy Pay.
Yes.
All right, let's talk colors.
Sure.
We have 4, and I think we have them all here, yeah? Yep. We have it in gray. This is
The blue, yeah.
But only 150. This is black. And then that is the confetti.
The confetti. Well, I don't know, since I'm right here, while I talk about the design, I'm going to stay on confetti, okay?
Okay.
So this is classic. So that's where we match, we combine our old world and our floral lace, our two most popular patterns, right? Look at the sleek silhouette. It almost looks like a bird, doesn't it? When you look at the profile right there. Isn't it absolutely stunning? The oversized handle, which balances this elongated design, if you will. See what I mean? How it looks like?
It's gorgeous.
Isn't that
It's
absolutely
elegant.
stunning and
It
elegant?
almost looks like an abstract bird, like dove.
Yeah, absolutely. And then here's what I love about it. The fact that it has this pour spout right here, you see how wide that is? That's for a reason. So if you want to do mushroom gravy or anything that has like your giblets in it or anything like that, easy breezy right there. But I just want to show you the bottom piece because this is what's amazing. This is what keeps it warm. Right, so you're just going to plug it in right there to the side. Put it on your sideboard.
Yeah.
Like you said, you're not microwaving right there. This is right there. I can feel it. It gets warm right there. And then it has a breakaway cord.
Yep.
So like if you need to take it away for a few minutes and bring it to the table and then come back and plug it in, easy breezy.
Great.
Oh, and by the way, if you're not using it for gravy, I mean, I'm just saying. You might want to put
little
your
mug
coffee
warmer.
mug on there.
It's a cute mug.
Isn't that so cute? But look how great this is. So everything from glazing your hams. I know, like in the food shows here, there's so many great hams and turkeys and everything that comes with glaze.
Yep.
You never have to
But it usually
reheat
comes
it.
in glaze in like a packet. This is how you
Elevate
serve.
it, right?
This is how you present.
You're right, right?
You know, if you're gonna do it right, right?
And you think about, you might think like, oh gosh, I just need this for Thanksgiving. But you know what? All your syrups, all your sauces.
Oh, syrups for sure.
Wait, did you ever warm up cream for people for their coffee?
No,
They'll love you.
they will.
Yes, like put your half and half or your creamers in here.
Really?
And then, because sometimes when you put
Interesting.
cold cream into your coffee, it makes the whole coffee cold.
Yeah.
So warm it up and then
Okay.
your toast will smooth the mouses.
I like that. I can't
Syrups.
stand cold syrup. And I love lots of syrup.
And then, do you like syrup on your breakfast meats?
Yes.
You do. Me too.
Yes.
Me too.
Oh my
right?
gosh, what's the point of having sausage if you can't dip it in syrup?
But we call it, I agree with you. So we call this our perfect pour right there. So you can see that beautiful silhouette, that great design. And then when I go to pour, it's literally, see how it's like the perfect, I didn't have to do anything. It's just so easy. Then when I want to stop, stop.
Look at that.
Love. Put it back
Beautiful.
on. Keep it nice and toasty.
Okay. What do we got here?
Of course, for our turkey, our pork loin. Now, this one has a little bit of texture to the gravy, right? There's some chopped mushrooms in here.
Oh, yum.
So look at that, how it comes through with ease. And that's because of that pour spout right there. That has that great size. See that right there? Look at that.
I love this. This is such a smart way.
Will you do that one for me?
Yeah, I would love to. Is this caramel?
It's caramel.
Over a little like a apple crumble.
Look at that. Yes.
Okay.
But now's the time to get it. So here's the deal. This item What, under $14? What? Under $14?
I know, $2.80
Okay.
on an easy pay.
We're not bringing this back, okay? So I have 3 of these in my house because I also like to put gravies
I went a little crazy on that camera.
down the center of my table.
I may have gone a little over the top.
This is a no
The next thing is just going to
judgment
pour it
zone.
right into my mouth.
Want me to help you? I'm that friend.
Oh, you know you are that friend. I know you are. Okay, let me remind everyone of colors because wildly popular. This is going to be your gray. This is the blue. Oh, blue is sold out now. Okay, we're gonna leave it there because it's all plugged in and everything.
Yeah.
Here's the black, but fewer than 1,000. And then this is the confetti. Bye, blue.
I'm trying. Here we go.
And there's that confetti right there, which is nice and vibrant. That reminds
Look
me
how
of
pretty.
like Sunday brunch.
I love
right?
this. Yeah, because here's the thing. You can put, like, when it comes to rib season and you're grilling, you want to put your barbecue sauce in there
Yes.
and warm it up.
Yes,
right?
you
Because you know
do.
cold barbecue sauce is like all congealed and stuff. No.
Look, I am the
Get
saucier
ready to-
in the house.
Oh, you are?
I am
Tell
the
me.
saucier. I want all of the sauces, but they have to be really good. I also make the best barbecue sauce you've ever had from scratch.
Well, we needed to have it, don't we?
Yes,
and the
we
recipe.
do. Yes, I will make it.
We gotta have the recipe. We gotta share your recipe.
Oh, I have to. Well, I have to get my dad's permission.
Oh, never mind. Family secret.
I'm sure he would be fine with it.
Look how pretty this is.
But look, you want your sauces that you spend so much time on. You want it warm. You want it to complement
Sure thing.
your meal. You don't like having warm food and a cold sauce or a cold gravy or a cold syrup. It just
Yeah.
ruins the whole experience. This elevates it. It's elegant. It's beautiful, and it's $2.80 on an easy pay for both pieces. And of course, the gravy boat itself. This goes in the dishwasher, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. Pop it right into the dishwasher. And then I love the fact that pop your mug on here if you want
Yeah.
to keep it warm, which I love down at my desk, my office.
That's a smart
is in my
idea.
basement. I love that idea. But here, and then it keeps it nice and warm. But listen, this is all about setting the perfect table. Temp-tations is all about having the right pieces at the right time of the year. This is one of these pieces that even if you wanted to put cold salad dressing in here,
Oh, yeah.
use it without the warmer. Use it as your creamer.
Right.
Use it for barbecue sauce. Use it for your gravies,
It's a
your
beautiful
holiday
vessel.
sauce. It's just a beautiful. Yes.
You know,
Just
it's a beautiful
By the
vessel.
way, why couldn't you put your cranberry sauce in here if you wanted to?
Why
and just put
couldn't
a
you?
spoon in.
I like to put
It's
a little Grand
gorgeous
Marnier
serving piece.
in my cranberry sauce. Obviously, some clove.
I've never heard about Grand Marnier in
Oh
a
yeah,
cranberry
okay.
sauce.
We sold out of one of our colors, but we still do have it in the gray, the black. Don't look at the blue; it's sold out. This is the black, and then we have it in the confetti as well. It's K51934, and it's $2.80 on an easy
amazing.
pay with free shipping and handling. Let's keep it moving.
Let's keep it moving.
Uh-oh, bird down.
What happened? Oh, the Cardinals wants to fly on over and see us. That's all.
Bird down.
I mean, that's what's
There we
happening.
go. Fixed.
Yeah.
Fixed. Crisis averted. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.